Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and today I will be covering this filter called the camera raw filter. So this type of filter will actually help you to enhance your image a lot better. So this is just one of the filters that actually will help you. So before I start, as you can see that I have already opened up my image right here. So you can open up any image of your choice, right? And then I'll come over here to my filter and my camera raw filter is right here. So I'll go ahead and select that and it comes up like this. Now as you can see that here, this is the preview right here. And over here on the right hand side, there are these multiple settings that I can change and then I can make, right? So as you can see, I can enhance the temperature as well. I'm going to edit this image a little bit with these settings right here so you can see. Right, so I'm just going to decrease the temperature and then I can play around with the tints as well. I might just increase that a bit as well. And right here as well, I think I can just increase the clarity up a bit. Yeah, dehaze. Oops. As you can see that as I am also I'm making the changes in the sliders here as well. You can see that the effect is happening on the image as well. Right, so I can keep it like this, vibrance, I can make it colorful, saturation, desaturate this a little bit, like that. Okay, so you can also play around. It's not necessary that you have to use all these sliders right here. So the whites is usually used for adding highlights as well, slight highlights. Blacks is usually for adding those minor shadows as well, like that. Okay, so this is like the most basic one that we just did. So we can come over here, which is the split toning. The split toning as well helps us to adjust the highlights and the shadows as well, as you can see. So even though like the changes will be very minor over here, extremely minor because we did majority of the changes in the basic one. But it's extremely minor happening like that. Okay, and there you go. So as you can see that we have made some changes, in the image as well, and it looks edited and it looks a lot better like that. Okay, so there you go. So this was the camera raw filter. So as you can see that you can use the camera raw filter. That is just one of the effects that you can use to enhance your image a lot better. So in one of my previous videos as well, I was talking about the adjustment layers as well. So in the adjustment layers, what happens is that you have to choose each type of effect from the adjustment layers and then make all the changes accordingly. But what the camera raw filter will do is that, as you can see that while we were editing, it has all the major functions, major filters and edits inside that one big filter panel right there, right? So it has everything right here. So I'll just show you. So as you can see that, you can adjust the highlights, shadows, you can adjust the color, etc. You can adjust this even further as per your liking, and all the effects are there inside this, like all the effects are there inside this as well, like that. So you can even make it black and white from the camera raw filter as well. So as you can see, it's a lot easier where you'll find everything under one panel. So that's it. So this was the camera raw filter, and this is how you can use the camera raw filter to actually enhance your image a lot more. So that's it. So now that we've come to the end of your tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice, you can enhance any type of photo and make them a lot better. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.